Hello guys, this is Tim with Tim the Poor Artist. Sorry it's been like almost a week since we were able to put up a video, except for a little chaser one I did yesterday to put up there. My camera broke. We had to call Samsung to get it fixed, and that took a little while. I ordered a camera off Amazon. That didn't work. The camera was, yeah, it's a piece of crap. So I finally got my phone fixed, so I'm back in biz. We're just going to throw a mixture of colors here. I'm going to make some coasters. I got a whole box of these ceramic tiles at Home Depot for like 15 bucks for 100. So yeah, if you guys want to make some coasters, that's what you could do. And then I even have the backings for them too, some corkboard backings. I'm going to use a white pillow. I'm going to use, this is just leftover paints I got sitting around. I need to use them. So I'm just going to throw a few colors. Some of them I won't use them all. Some, I don't know. We'll just play with it. I got a blue, yellow, orange. This is kind of a darker purple. This is a lighter mauve purple looking, a green and a white base. So that's what I'm going to work with. And then I'm going to do a swipe with some black. So what I want to do first is I want to test that too. Oh, where is it? There it is. Okay. I need to test this too, so I'll go ahead and do that on camera so you guys can see that demonstration. What you do, I'm going to put some white on that. You see that all right? Okay, put a little bit of white on there. That's all I need. That's all I need. And then I need to take a little bit of this black here. It's my activator. Okay, guys. Here's the trick. You blow on it, okay? And we see if it creates cells. There they are. Okay. You see that? The cells. That means my activator will work. Okay. So, let's get to going. I'm gonna, I don't know. I'm kind of in a weird spot right now with my workstation. We're good. Okay, a little bit there. Start with white, of course. And what we're going to do with this is we're just going to kind of put a color there, put a color there. I don't know. We're going to mix this up so we can make some cool coasters, I hope. We'll see what happens. Okay, is that the best one for you to see right there? Okay, there we go. I'm just going to set these cups here so I can just grab them. Oh, here's that green. This is that, it's an emerald green, and it's got it's really sparkly stuff. Pretty amazing. I like it anyways. Yellow, yellow. So yeah, I built a pond though. I did do that while I was out and away from the video world. I will shoot another video of that so I can share it with you guys so you can see what I've done there. It was pretty amazing. It was a fun little project. I took a water trough, 25-gallon water trough that you use on ranches and stuff. And I'm not going to put that in every one of them. And then I built a fountain, a waterfall on the backside. Why are you leaking? You're not supposed to be moving until I tell you to move. Maybe I'm unbalancing the province here. Okay. Then there's an orange. And I'm going to take the orange and I'm just going to kind of go like this. Look at that. Well, guys, what do you think? I need comments. Okay, so why I wanted to do this video, the main reason is Christmas gifts, guys. These would be great Christmas gifts. I'm going to sell them for $12 a set. If you're local, you can pick them up. We can arrange something. If you're out of my area, then we're going to have to ship it. Ship it. And you will pay for all the shipping if we do it that way. Okay. So, a little bit to mess it up. Okay. So I'm going to need this. I need the bigger one. I need my really big one. Where is it? I don't even know where it is, so I'm not even going to bother with it. I got this one. I can use this one. Okay. Here's our activator. I don't even know if I have enough to even do this, because it's what I have left. So, if I have to, I can make some more. Not an issue. Is all it is black paint and water. Okay. What I'm going to do here, back side of the brush. This is just a palette knife. And all we do is we put a good old feeling on there. And we just kind of go like that. Let that all activate. Let that get to kicking. Alrighty. Like what I'm seeing so far. And let's do it again. Get it in the right hand. So first we do the activator, then we're gonna wiggle it around a little bit and see what we can make out of it. Tim, you don't have very much of this stuff, so it's like you gotta keep it on your tool there. Can't be messing with it. Alright, let's see what this one does. Alrighty. Okay, those are looking kind of rad. Hopefully we have enough. Stand up straight. Back's gonna hurt like crazy. Okay, let's do this one. Just wipe it right over the top of it. There you go. And that makes the colors separate. We create these beautiful cells. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, so anyways, if you want any of these, I'm just going to be making a ton of them. So you can contact me through my email. At timthepourartist@gmail.com. Remember to spell pour, P-O-U-R. Okay, so Tim the Poor Artist. Let's see here. Let's give these here a little shot real quick. See if we can get some more cells going on there. There we go. Yeah, and at Tim the Poor Artist, send me that you would like some. If you want to give me a couple of colors that you like, and we can go from there with it. Or you can just pick out a set that I have. I'm going to go ahead and post these on my Facebook in my album. I'm trying to do a Facebook page, but it's not cooperating with me. So I'm going to try to, and it's just called Tim the Poor Artist. It's on Facebook. You can probably find me there. I'll leave a link in the, well, I do leave a link in the bottom so that you can get with me. All right, you guys ready? I'm going to take this one here first. Look at that. Okay, here's the tricky part. You got to do this without messing up the rest of them. Ooh, that looks gorgeous. Okay, that is nice. I like it. What do you think? Go right over that edge right there. I don't know why it's not cooperating. Ooh, that's got a beautiful blue to it. That's pretty, 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 pretty. Now we'll take these and we'll set it up on top of there. Okay. Grab the next one. You guys see these really good? I hope so. All right, look at that. So what I find when you're tipping these, the best thing to do is pick out something that you want to keep. Like I want to keep this really green, pretty stuff in the middle. Okay, so only go to the. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. That's pretty cool. Looks like a froggy color. I use the same color on every one of these, so. All right, there we go. There's some cool. I'm trying to turn it every time so you guys can see what's going on. I'm not really too worried about what my fingers are going to look like. Yeah, let's get rid of this side over here. See that? I hope you can. I thought a bigger camera would be a better camera, but actually my my phone is the best camera that I have. So let's get this guy over here real quick. He's kind of falling apart. Okay. Come back right there, touch. Go to the other corner, touch. Go down the side a little bit. Just let it go over. I really like that one. These here are kind of some Halloween colors, I guess. I don't know. They're kind of cool, though. There we go. Got a spider crawling down my wall. We have so many spiders in our house. You have spiders in your house? I do. Okay, let's see if we can catch that corner over there. See that? There we go. We'll hope it. I like them big cells. Look at that. Those are some beauties. Let's get that smooth off of there. When it's done running, it's a done running. Can't get it anymore. I really like these little stands. Yeah, I try to do something with Amazon to be able to hook up a link, but I guess I can just hook up a link for products. I don't really have a page on there like I wanted. So I got to work on that still. Ooh, I like the purple and the black. What do you think of the purple and the black? Come on, guys, give me some comments. Give me some suggestions. Give me color variances you want to see. Ooh, there we go. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. These will make excellent, excellent Christmas gifts, guys. These are so pretty. Inexpensive. I know you spend way more than that on just a Christmas present. So let's see what we can do. Help support the channel. Help it grow. give me a ways and means of paying for this ridiculously, beautifully crafted hobby that I have. I love it. I'm addicted to it. I can't stop it. Nothing I can do about it. Okay, let me pause you here and I'll bring you in for a close-up real quick. I had to clean off a finger. So hang on. Alrighty, here we go. Look at this. Oh, they are so beautiful. Cannot believe that cell. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And they will dry. We'll have to give them about an hour. And then we'll see how they're going to settle. Gorgeous, though. If you'd like this set, just send me an email. I'll sell them for $12.50 for the set. We'll go with that. Yeah? All right, guys. If you found this video informative, enjoyable, whatever you want to call it, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Okay? Go ahead and comment below. I know tell you what, just subscribe for now. That way you will see all my videos that are upcoming, okay? God bless you and have a great day.